Welcome to the H&W Crew video. Today we're going to be adventurous scientists. Today we're going to go on a colorful journey with primary colors and secondary colors. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can join the H&W Crew. Let's become scientists! Let's begin! Hey William, let's turn each of these soda bottles into a primary color. William, do you know what the primary colors are? Yeah, Henry, the blue, yellow, red. Hey Henry, look what I found. The color blue. Hey William, I have red and yellow. And I have gloves to protect our hands. Hey William, let's start with the first primary color. Let's make this bottle red. Henry, this looks awesome. Can you turn this one into yellow? Sure. Henry, this looks awesome. I'm gonna make this one blue. Go for it, William. Yeah. Give me a high five. Hey William, do you know what happens when you mix two primary colors together? We get secondary colors. Let's make that. Hey William, I'm going to mix red and yellow together. Let's see what it makes. Wow, such cool orange. Now I'm going to mix yellow and blue together. Let's see what this makes. BTW, guys, this is awesome. If you don't know what BTW means, it means by the way. Wow! Henry, this green looks awesome. I'm going to mix blue and red together. Henry, aren't these colors cool? Yeah, we made the rainbow with primary and secondary colors. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. William, now that we're done making these, what do we do with them? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Mentos explosion! Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see us do our rainbow Mentos explosion. Thanks for joining the H&W Crew!